Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for UPSC preparation. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can transform your study routine. It allows you to consolidate all your materials, from notes to schedules, into one organized system. You can build custom dashboards and databases, making your study process much more efficient and tailored to your specific needs. Setting up your Notion workspace effectively is key. Start by creating a central dashboard that links to all your major study areas. Then, dedicate individual pages to each UPSC subject, such as polity or economics, allowing for focused study. Employ toggle lists within your notes to hide and reveal information, which is excellent for active recall and self-testing. This structure helps you navigate your vast study material with ease. Managing your syllabus and notes becomes seamless with Notion. Construct a database to track your entire UPSC syllabus, marking topics as to do, in progress, or completed. Directly link your detailed notes to these syllabus items, ensuring everything is interconnected. Use custom templates for consistent note-taking, and easily embed external resources like PDFs or web articles right into your pages for a unified study experience. Effective revision and progress tracking are crucial for UPSC success. Leverage Notion's date properties to set up a spaced repetition system for your notes, optimizing your recall. Create a habit tracker to monitor your daily and weekly study targets, ensuring consistency. Record your mock test scores in a database to pinpoint strengths and weaknesses. Regularly reviewing your progress will keep you motivated and focused on achieving your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.